If I catch you at the right moment, let's do a simple meditation together. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Just bring your awareness to anything that catches your attention. Could be the sound around you. Right now I am listening to the air condition in my car. I'm just gently bringing my consciousness to that. I'm not judging anything. I'm using what's around me for my meditation practice. Now I'm bringing my awareness to my breath, feeling the air going in and out through my nose. Your hands on anything that you're touching and bring the sensations and observe what is that feeling. Okay, so that's a very simple exercise that we can do anywhere. I would recommend you to do something, if you haven't started a meditation and something that you would really like to do this in the first thing in the morning. Maybe you're sitting on your chair or sofa. Just observe your breath. Feel how you're touching the chair or sofa and just observe. That's all. That's a good way to start your meditation practice.